So the idea of the game is kind of like a battle royale game, right? It's
Mhm.
very inspired by like PUBG and whatnot. So, uh, so you can start off with your player on a. I guess you can pick your player. I'll just pick this dude. I know they're hard to tell apart because they're all white, but if you want to go ahead and pick whichever one you
Which
want.
one do you want, Brian?
I'll pick this one.
I'll take this strong man right here.
The strong man, right? So to start the game, or no, so basically it's a battle royale, and as the game goes on, the board actually gets smaller,
Oh.
and it's hard to. It's these colors since it's all black and white. It's kind of difficult to tell, but these are actually different zones, and
Okay.
they all get closed off over time. So,
Okay.
and so you have to use items and event cards and stuff to help turn things in your favor. Unfortunately, they're not done yet, so we're just gonna be using the default
That's
damage of.
fine.
Yeah, that works.
Fine.
It'll be the default damage of 1 per turn. No, 2 per turn. I'm sorry. It'll be so you can do 2 damage by default per turn if you're within 1 block of each other in
Okay.
diagonal or regular.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll explain more as we start. But so to start, you can place your player anywhere on the outer edge of the board or on the outer edge. So I'll just put mine like right here, I guess.
I'll put it right here.
Nice. Or yeah, like on the outside.
Oh,
okay.
Yes,
outside, right there.
I'll have to. I'll probably put like some color there or something
Mm-hmm.
to
Just
make
be like
that.
start.
Yeah. Oh, start. And so basically, you have 2 action points per turn. Now the chests and stuff and like the items and stuff, they're not done yet. So rolling 1 die takes 1 action point. So if you're rolling both dies, you're using both your action points per that
Oh,
turn.
Okay.
Attacking somebody takes 1 action point also.
Okay.
So if you wanted to roll up to them and then do some damage, say you have a weapon, you could do that. Or if they're already next to you, you could take both turns to deal some damage or, whatnot, back and forth. So,
Okay.
and you have 10 health. You also have 10 health. I don't have the health pieces finished yet, unfortunately, either. So yeah, you have 10 health, and basically the last person alive wins. And so after every cycle, all right, so the player that goes first also has an extra duty. So after every cycle of turns, you roll the dice, and you close off the rooms that are on that number. So like, say we all take a turn, and I roll the dice and I roll 8, for example, then these are actually numbered. So I would close off room 8. And if you're in room 8, and so every turn that you're in room 8, you lose 1 health per turn that you're actually in
Okay.
that room.
Okay.
And now these actually don't go all the way. I need to get the 15-sided die. These don't actually go all the way up to 15. They only go up to 12. So if you roll a duplicate,
Do you want a D20? Or
I can-
whatever.
Give you my dice since I got
Oh.
so many.
That works then. I'll take that.
Just pick whatever color you want.
Oh,
This works.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Coming in clutch.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I just need
Okay.
something that can go up to 15.
and then if it goes any higher than
Yeah.
15, you just re-roll.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see. I think that's the majority of the rules. So we can go ahead and I guess I'll let one of you guys go first. Yeah.
Right. I'll go first.
Yeah.
Okay, I rolled a 6, and I can go
Oh
anywhere
yes,
else?
you can. So these are doors.
Mm-hmm.
These are walls, and there's gonna be chests. They're not done, obviously,
So that's fine.
because I don't have the items done yet. So at the moment, right now, you're really just trying to kill everybody with your default, your default attack. But normally, you would be able to go through and look for event cards and chest items.
Okay.
So
Okay. I'm coming for you, Robert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
also, I forgot to mention, you can move diagonally too.
Oh.
So if you want to move diagonally, then
Okay.
that's also a thing. So.
Alright.
Alright, there you go.
Alright. 6 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, there's need to get those items done.
That's fine.
3, that's unfortunate. 3. Cool.
And then-
And then, so,
Somebody rolls. rolls.
Okay, so now what you'll do is, yeah, you'll just roll, and each zone, so we'll roll until half of this zone right here is gone. So, let's see, well, so since we don't have a 19, we'll roll again, but,
Okay.
so let's see, 15, so that one will close off.
Trying to get me, dude.
Come for you.
Well, luckily I didn't roll a
Yeah.
3.
Yeah, and, yeah. And then basically, so the outer one takes 2 cycles to completely close off. So half of it. So yeah, you can just keep on rolling until 7 of these rooms here are closed off,
Okay.
and then let's see, so 3, 9 is closed off. It's getting close. 10. That's unfortunate. Yeah.
Dude, you're just gunning.
Yeah.
20, there's no 20. 1.
You're gunning for yourself too. What's going on, man?
13.
13 and
And one more. 2.
2. All right, cool. So now those rooms are closed off. Obviously, I'll take 1 damage next turn because I'm still in the room.
So do you
And-
take that at the very beginning of your turn or
Yeah.
the end of your turn?
You start at you
Okay.
take it at the beginning of the turn. So if you happen to be at 1 health and you're in a room,
Yeah.
rip.
Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Come for you, Robert.
4. Okay, I'm gonna move forward to see. 4. And then 6.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Intense.
I wanted to see if I get closer, but not too close.
Yeah.
But I got like
Whoops,
really
oh, my
close.
bad.
That's fine.
Let's see. 3, literally 3 again. This happened last playtest. I got like all super low, slow numbers.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Oh, yeah.
we're gonna actually the rest of these you don't have to roll because we know that the rest of these rooms are gonna close out. So the entire outer layer is now
We're on the
closed.
outer layer.
Yes.
Yes.
I just realized that.
Yeah, I mean you guys won't have to worry for a little. I'll have to worry because I still have to go through the other 2. But all right.
Oh, I thought this was part of the outer layer too.
Oh no, it's
Oh.
sorry, yeah, it's kind of in like a crescent
Oh,
shape.
okay.
Yeah.
So it's like a U shape.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I thought it was like full circle.
I thought about it, but this actually worked out a little easier. So.
Okay.
so technically this will be the center then if we're going off this.
Yeah, this is the very center room right here. This is the only room that won't close off, but all the other rooms will close off over
I'm
time.
safe.
This one's a little thicker. This is actually 2 rooms.
Okay.
Mm.
So yeah, and actually same here, but so yeah.
3. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Robert.
You can't attack me because you used both your dice. You should just rolled 1.
You know
and
what?
then you go inside and then you could attack me.
I'm ready.
So
No.
for entering doors, you have to be straight. In
Yeah,
front,
you have to be
right?
straight
Yeah,
in front
so
of
you
them.
don't go die.
Yeah, you can't-
go
you can't
through
diagonal.
walls. All right, I'm gonna attack you. Do I need both dice or is it just one?
If you attack with both your AP, then you can do 4 damage. But if you can also do 2 damage, and then you can run afterwards too.
All right, I'm gonna use one of my dice and then I'm gonna run away. Okay.
Don't run.
I'm a runner. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm out of here.
So I took 1 damage, so I have 9 health.
You have 8.
Yeah,
Default's
2
2.
damage.
Oh, default's
Yeah.
2 damage. Okay.
Yeah.
That was your sure.
I hit and run you. Told you, strong boy's coming in.
6, 7, 8. Cool. And now, all right. So now, this one takes. It was what is it? We have. Yeah, this one also takes 2 turns. So yeah, so you can roll the dice, and then. So let's see. 3's closed off. Oh yeah.
Yeah. 18.
18.
3
That's
again.
unfortunate.
18
Oh my
again.
gosh. Are those your
7.
favorite
7.
numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 7's closed off.
4.
4 is closed off.
15.
There's a lot of dice rolling.
So these two are connected to each other?
7
Yeah.
again.
Okay.
Oh, 7? Oh, okay.
Yeah. 6. Is that 6?
Yeah.
Or is that 9?
Yeah.